Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can unhide or show the ribbon, or as some call it, the vertical toolbar here on the left hand side inside your Obsidian Notes vault. So let us guide you through this. So head over to your workspace or vault inside Obsidian Notes, and as you can see, the vertical toolbar here to the left, or the ribbon, has disappeared. Now, if you or one of your co-editors with access to your vault have accidentally removed it, this is how you can unhide it back again. Click into that gear icon here, navigate to Appearance on the left hand side, and under Interface, enable Show Ribbon. There it is. As you can see now, here you have access to these features, like for example the graph view and creating new canvases, accessing folders, using templates, and so on and so forth. If you'd like to hide the ribbon again, right click into it and choose Hide Ribbon, and as you can see now it's gone again. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.